The Turquoise Trail of Muğla. Kerem, look at this map, cried Denise. She pointed to the bottom corner of Turkey. We are in Muğla. It's a huge province, famous for sunshine, sea, and history. Did you know it has over 1,400 kilometers of coastline? Kerem squinted at the map. Where should we go first, Denise? I want to see the most famous blue water. Denise grinned. Then we must start in Fethiye, at the famous Blue Lagoon, Uludeniz. It's one of the most photographed beaches in the world. People even jump off that huge mountain, Babadeg, just to fly over the lagoon, Kerem exclaimed, watching a distant paraglider. But now, let's feel the sea breeze. Muğla is the perfect place to sail on a gule, a traditional wooden Turkish boat. As they sailed, Denise pointed towards the shore. Muğla isn't just beaches, Kerem. It was once part of ancient Caria. Everywhere you look, there are ruins, like the rock tombs carved high into the cliffs above Fethiye. Their sailing adventure brought them west to a busy peninsula. Welcome to Bodrum, announced Kerem. It's famous for its white houses, bright pink bougainvillea flowers, and the magnificent castle of St. Peter, built by medieval knights. Denise remembered a key fact. Bodrum is also home to one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Though only ruins remain, it shows how important this area was thousands of years ago. Next, they traveled east, arriving in the bustling city of Marmaris. Kerem was amazed by the vibrancy. Marmaris is built right next to lush, pine-covered hills. It's a great harbor and a gateway to exploring the beautiful turquoise coves nearby. Denise looked up at the mountains. Muğla's landscape is protected. Because of the mild Mediterranean climate, the forests thrive. This region produces lots of delicious olives, citrus fruits, and honey too. After their whirlwind tour, they sat on a quiet beach. Kerem sighed happily. All these different places, Bodrum, Marmaris, Fethiye, Kos, Dalyan, they all share the same beautiful sea. Denise smiled. That's why Muğla is so special. It connects history, nature, and adventure along its incredible coastline. Whether you are sailing, swimming, or exploring a castle, Muğla is waiting to show you its wonders.